Hi everyone. So I have been asked about how I edit my pictures. Now I get asked this quite a lot actually. So I've just found an app that I can record this on and I'm just going to show you. So here are an example of the pictures that I'll take off, say, one set. So this was a really long time ago, this set. And these were the pictures you can see next to the face down the bottom that I ended up with from this set. So I'm going to pick that one. That's the one I'm going to pick to edit. So you can see it's a totally normal picture. The angles that I like to try and take are from directly in front of the eye, whether I'm to the side or above, so that I get a real sort of, how do I describe it? The lash will bend back on itself and I'll get like a double blackness, and that's how I really get that thickness coming through, that like black thickness. I never put that into the pictures, so you can see where the lashes have doubled over and the angle that I've got, I get doubly thick black lines. So that's how I've done that. So I use Facetune. So I've got the picture up here ready. Facetune, it's I think about nearly £5 to download, just a one-off payment. Best bloody app that I've ever used. It's really, really simple. You've got all these little things down here that you can edit it with. So I always start with the canvas. I'm going to crop most of this face out so that I've got the eye basically in the middle there. And I've pressed the blue tick there. Right, next I'm going to go to whiten. And I'll just whiten up the white bit there. And do we want to get the little ring light? Yeah. So I've just done the little ring light. And I'm just going to go ahead and whiten the what do you call it? That part, the eyebrow. And then that bit's quite nice. That's shining there. So I'm just going to lighten that bit. And I might lighten the inner corner there a bit so you can see what I've done there. Next, I'm going to smooth. So I try not to smooth everything, and I'm just going around the eye here. So you can see I've just done that bit. I'm going to go under the eye. A lot of this will be cropped out once it goes onto Instagram anyway. So I've only gone smooth, not smoother. If it was really particularly bad skin, then I might go smoother. I might doubly smooth this section out. But underneath here, I'm going to keep that. So you can see how it's looking already. And then details. The only thing I do on details is I pick out the pupil and the lower lash line. That's actually a bit harsh, that bit in the middle there. So let's get rid of that. I don't do anything else, because if you actually watch, if you do it on the tips of the eyelashes, it just makes it look a bit crazy. And I really like a really soft, like, top lash line. So I'm going to get rid of that. So raise that out. So yeah, so I just want to pull that pupil out. You can see how it, like, makes it more marbly. So that's done. Oh, details. Oh, we just did that one. Reshape, don't need to repatch anything. If this person had, say, like a spot, you could say like she had a little bit of a spot there, but that would be taken out anyway. Just repatch it and then that's gone. So we can do that. Tones. Now we need to make this section quite a bit more even. So I'm going to pick a colour, any colour. Let's go just underneath her eye, about here. Let's pick that colour. And then tones, and we're just going to fill that in. And I'm going to go all the way around her eye. Just a little bit, like not loads. Otherwise it starts to look a bit cray-cray. So that's just evened that out. Red eye, defocus, filters. No. Done. Right, let's save. Save to camera roll. Okay, let's go to Instagram. Let's post. So let's zoom in a little bit. People always ask me, why do you always have upside down pictures? And that is a really good question. One, because you get like that double over, like I said, of that lash line. And two, I feel like the eye, like our eye, focuses into the middle of the screen, into the middle of the picture. Whereas if the eye was the right way up, the first thing you see is a pupil. And I feel like the first thing you see on these pictures is that wispy top line. And it's very attractive. So that's why I tend to do that. And the top line thing is what I say I would be known for, I suppose, like that wispy effect. So that's where I want to draw attention. And I just think they look a lot nicer. Like you can see the work that's been put into it from the top angle rather than the bottom. So I hope that makes sense. So let's just get a filter. So sometimes I will, I do that. I come that way. And I just really have a play around, just see what looks best. So that's quite nice. But I do quite like it just like that. So that's that. Let's just, for the ease of it, pick a filter. So, no, I'm not happy. Don't like that. No. Ooh. No. Oh, that's not too bad. That's quite nice. Right, I'm going to remember Perpetua. No. Valencia, that's quite nice. Right, so I'm not really massively grooved by all of them. So I'm going to, let's lighten that up a bit. Just play around. Right, contrast is going to make that lash line even darker. So let's just do that a little bit. Structure, probably not going to change that. No. Warmth. It's already quite a warm picture. What do we think? I'm going to go there. Saturation. Ooh, she's been on the sunbeds. I like it fairly warm. Let's go there. Yeah. Colour fade, highlights, shadows, highlights. Shadows. Okay, yeah, shadow will make that lash line even darker. Ba-ba-ba-bam. Tells you thing now. These are quite nice. So you can stretch that out. Yeah, I like it. Oh, what have I done? Done. Next. Let's just put it as video example so that you all know which one I've uploaded. Hashtag lashes. Hashtag lash tech. Ooh. Hashtag wispy lashes. Hashtag Kim K lashes. Hashtag I hate hashtagging. It's so boring. Does anybody else think it's really boring? It takes me ages to put a picture up just because I can't be asked to freaking hashtag. Hashtag fluffy lashes. Hashtag lush queen. Hashtag yes. Hashtag eyelash extensions. Oh, extensions. Wakefield lashes, because that is where I am. Wakefield. So after you do like your hashtags for what the picture is like for, then we want to be hashtagging what your potential clients are going to be hashtag looking for. Oh, does that make sense? So in my area, if somebody was looking on Instagram for lashes, I would presume they would type something in like Wakefield lash tech. And then they would put that in the search bar and hopefully this picture will come up and they'll go, oh, well, hell. Leeds lash tech. Leeds lashes. Oops. I mean, I think that this is how the hashtag thing works. I am a bit of a dinosaur when it comes to all this. You might be watching this going, yeah, she's not right at all. This is all wrong. But anyway, okay, that will do. You really don't have to put full stop there, div. And yeah, I'm not going to at anyone because this was a really long time ago and I can't really remember what I used. Let's go Wakefield. Share. And there we go. That is how it's done. So I don't really do loads of editing. I just do a little bit. But a little bit is effective. So it's the same basically on all of them, you know. That's how I do it.